Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into 10 AI stocks ChatGPT says that will make you rich in 10 years. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword, it's shaping industries and transforming businesses. From automation to machine learning, the opportunities are endless. And the smart money is pouring into companies leading the charge in this AI revolution. These are the stocks positioned to benefit from explosive AI growth in the next decade. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when we drop new videos. And if you find this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which AI stock you're most excited about. Let's kick things off with number 10, UiPath Incorporated, ticker symbol PATH. UiPath is a global leader in robotic process automation or RPA, helping companies automate routine and manual processes. Their technology enables businesses to improve efficiency and cut costs. Despite the challenges of going public during volatile times, UiPath has seen strong revenue growth. In fact, their revenue has been growing at an annual rate of nearly 40%. With AI-driven automation still in its early stages, UiPath has significant room for long-term growth as more businesses embrace automation. At number 9, we have Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir has established itself as a leader in data analytics and AI-powered software solutions, working with both government agencies and commercial clients. The company has seen a surge in demand for its Foundry and Gotham platforms, which help organizations make sense of vast amounts of data using AI. Palantir's revenue growth remains strong, and the company is consistently landing new contracts. Palantir is expected to be at the forefront of AI-driven decision-making, which is becoming increasingly critical in industries like healthcare, finance, and defense. Coming in at number 8, Alphabet Incorporated, ticker symbol Google. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, has been an AI pioneer for years. Google's deep learning algorithms and AI-driven products, like Google Assistant, Search, and YouTube's recommendation engine, demonstrate their dominance in the AI space. Beyond that, Alphabet's AI research arm, DeepMind, continues to push the boundaries of artificial intelligence. As AI evolves, Alphabet is positioned to be at the center of innovation in sectors like autonomous vehicles, healthcare, and cloud computing. Number 7 is Amazon.com Incorporated, ticker symbol AMZN. Amazon isn't just an e-commerce giant, it's also a leading force in AI with its Amazon Web Services, AWS, and AI-powered voice assistant Alexa. AWS has become the backbone of many AI-powered applications across industries, and with ongoing investments in AI and machine learning, Amazon's cloud computing business is set to grow even further. In fact, AI-driven services account for a significant portion of AWS's revenue, and as AI adoption accelerates, Amazon will likely benefit from its early investments in this space. At number 6, Meta Platforms Incorporated, ticker symbol Meta. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is investing heavily in AI to power its vast network of social media platforms and virtual reality projects. From AI-driven advertising algorithms to content recommendations, Meta's AI research is integral to its operations. Moreover, the company is heavily investing in AI for its ambitious Metaverse project, which could redefine how we interact with the digital world. With AI playing a central role in Meta's vision, the company's long-term growth potential remains strong. Number 5 is Tesla Incorporated, ticker symbol TSLA. Tesla is synonymous with electric vehicles, but its AI expertise is what truly sets it apart. Tesla's self-driving technology is powered by advanced AI systems that continuously improve through machine learning and real-time data collection from millions of cars on the road. Tesla's AI-powered full self-driving (FSD) software could be a game-changer in the autonomous vehicle market. Elon Musk's vision for AI goes beyond cars, extending into robotics with the development of Tesla's humanoid robot project. Coming in at number 4 is Salesforce Incorporated, ticker symbol CRM. Salesforce has been a dominant force in customer relationship management software, but its AI offering, Einstein AI, adds significant value to its platform. Einstein AI delivers predictive analytics, automated recommendations, and intelligent decision-making tools to help businesses drive sales, customer service, and marketing. The company has continued to grow revenues at double-digit rates, and with AI becoming more critical in business operations, Salesforce's continued growth is practically a given. Number 3 on our list is Datadog Incorporated, ticker symbol DDOG. Datadog is a cloud monitoring and security platform powered by AI. Their software helps companies understand and secure their cloud infrastructure by analyzing massive amounts of data and detecting anomalies in real time. Datadog's revenue has been growing at a rapid pace, with a 60% year-over-year increase in revenue recently. As more companies migrate to the cloud and require AI-powered monitoring solutions, Datadog is positioned to benefit greatly from this trend. At number 2, we have Advanced Micro Devices Incorporated, ticker symbol AMD. AMD is a leading semiconductor company, producing high-performance processors used in AI applications across industries. AMD has seen significant growth in its data center business, where AI and machine learning are critical workloads. AMD's new AI-driven chips are enabling more powerful data processing capabilities, driving growth in gaming, cloud computing, and AI. As AI continues to expand, AMD is positioned as a key player in the hardware space. And finally, at number 1 is NVIDIA Corporation, ticker symbol NVDA. NVIDIA is the undisputed leader in AI hardware with its powerful GPUs that are the backbone of most AI applications, from autonomous vehicles to healthcare innovations. NVIDIA's graphics cards are essential for training AI models and executing machine learning tasks, giving it a dominant position in the AI market. The company has seen explosive growth in its data center business, and as AI adoption accelerates, NVIDIA is expected to remain at the forefront of AI hardware and software innovations for years to come. To sum it up, these 10 AI stocks are leading the charge in innovation and could be the keys to building wealth in the next decade. Whether it's through cutting-edge technology, automation, or data-driven decision-making, these companies are set to capitalize on the AI boom. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Always do your own research and consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you enjoyed this video, we think you'll really like the 2 videos that are appearing on the screen right now. Go ahead and click on one of them to continue your investing journey. We'll see you in the next one.